got you guys though, you know? You ready?
They probably got me down by the end of the song. Seem like the whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear
Soldier Boy Tech. Hey, I got this new dance for y'all called Soldier Boy.
Oh, come on!
Crank back 3 times from left to right.
You guys know this one, right?
Soldier Boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me crank that Soldier Boy? That Superman. Why me crank that Soldier? Now 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 what? Soldier Boy, I been it. Why me crank it? Why me roll? Why me crank that Soldier Boy? That Superman. Now why me crank that Soldier? Now why me crank that Soldier? Now why me crank that Soldier? Now why me
Playing all the classics today. How many of you guys know this one? It's all about having fun. That's what life's about. Because before you know it, all right, I got one more. I'm gonna play something off my new record. Most importantly, I want to play you guys something that's important to me, which is like the scene that I came from, which is like the drum and bass scene, which actually like a lot of the first shows I ever played was in Atlanta, Georgia, with all the guys that I started writing drum and bass with. So I want to play something on my album. There's some drum and bass shit. Hope you guys like it. Thank you guys so much for having me, man. I was so scared I wouldn't get to play because of my flight stuff yesterday, but this is awesome, man. I'm inspired. And also remember, fuck Trump, you know? I want to see you guys go hard for this one. You ready?
Listen up.
So much. I'm gonna be here with you guys all day listening to music and drinking beer. I'm Killer Noise, Jake. Love you guys. Have a good day.